Video 864, BFJ 164. Time for the fast speedrun code review. Source code is here, and you can get a hold of me down here. Let's go. In the Bomb Thought simulation putter for FATA tiles at this address and this FATA tile value, we're working on the formula still. So we scroll all the way fucking down here. We have this Thought FATA data pixel section. If everything is still okay, we're gonna continue our calculations. So lateral multiplier X and Y, this is just a carryover of this to this for formatting reasons. And data pixel X, data pixel Y, this is where our pixel is on the texture. So we seek to the correct hotel and then seek to the correct room, right? Each hotel is 512 by 512. Each room is 128 by 128. We do that on the X-axis. We do that on the Y-axis. Then we have to seek into our mipmap-like data structure of information by a diagonal offset to the correct tri-cluster of data, and then the lateral offset to the correct layer of data. In this case, the layer is always going to be the FATA layer. And that's all we've added. We'll do the rest of the code in another video, and we also have some diagrams in this level pack diagram section to help you understand what's going on, right? So our data is encoded into a mipmap-like structure, and the diagonal offset is getting us from like here if we're on the 1x tiles, and then here if we're on the 2x tiles, here if we're on the 4x tiles, etc., etc. And the lateral offset is taking us from this origin down to this origin. It's getting us from the geometry layer to the bomb layer. Sorry. Geometry layer to the FATA layer. I lied there, right? So the lateral offset makes us go from here to here. The diagonal offset is making us do this kind of offset, right? Okay, so that's a little crash course of how the data is laid out, and then right down here is what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, I don't fucking blame you. Go to the 10-minute code review on Ninja Playlist 9. You are on Kanji Playlist 9. Technical demos only if this makes your brain hurt. Weeboo Playlist 9. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO with N64-style proximity mines that explode directionally and chain react, creating a cascading Rube Goldberg of death puzzle game where you have to get out fucking alive. Quick respawn, Super Meat Boy mechanics, because it's a one-hit kill for the blast from the explosions. Like, subscribe, and follow. My name is Kanji Coder. I plan on selling at least 1 million copies of this game. At least 1 million copies of this game when I release it. Like, subscribe, and follow.